Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to add a new column to a board on Monday.com. First, go to Monday.com and navigate to the board where you want to add a new column. On the board, you will see this plus icon with the title of Add Column. Click on it. Monday.com offers various column types to suit different data types and workflows. Select the type of column you want to add from the list of options. Common column types include text, date, numbers, drop-downs, and more. Depending on the column type you have selected, you may need to configure additional settings for the column. For example, if you are adding a drop-down column, you will need to define the drop-down options. If you are adding a date column, you may want to specify the date format. Once you have selected the column type and configured any necessary settings, you will need to give the column a name. After naming the column, click outside the column settings or press enter to save your changes. The new column will be added to the board, and you should see it displayed alongside the existing columns. You can customize the layout and order of columns by clicking and dragging the column header to rearrange it. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel, leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.